Let us see in this video how to create a bank payment voucher against expense. The bank payment voucher is used to record a transaction where a company pays an expense directly from its bank account, and the transaction is entered into the ERP system for proper financial tracking and reporting. Let's record an example of an expense payment entry. Select the bank. State Bank of India. Payment mode, check, GL account, telephone expense, amount, 26,000. This slide shows the bank payment workflow process, which consists of two levels of reviewing and approving. First, after the entries are made by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor to review. Once reviewed, it will be forwarded to the manager, who is responsible for approval. This is how the workflow takes place. Log in with the creator's username and password to create a bank payment voucher against an expense. Click the Login button, then click on Financials. Click Transaction, then select Payment and Receipt to navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click Add to create a new bank payment entry. In the Document Mode field, select Bank Payment to specify the transaction type. In the Bank field, select the bank account to specify the account from which the payment is being made. Enter the voucher date, which is the date the bank transaction occurred. In Pay mode, select one of the four options, check a RTGS, NEFT, TT transfer. Check a written order to the bank to pay a specific amount from user's account to someone. RTGS, a fast real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. NEFT, a system to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. TT transfer, an electronic transfer of money, often used for international payments. Select the check type for this transaction. This is the transaction currency. The system automatically fetches and updates the latest check number. If required, the check number can be changed. The check date or reference date should be selected. Bank prefix and transaction currency will be updated automatically. If needed, the transaction currency can be changed. Click Save to create the bank payment voucher and the header is generated. Enter the favor of field. The favor of field represents the payee name. Enter the name of the person or entity in whose favor the payment is being made. Once the GL account is selected, the Cost Bar Profit Center description will be updated automatically. Enter the amount in TC. Debit type will be updated automatically. Click Save. For without tax type, select Create Journal checkbox and post the document. For with tax type, click GST details. Enter the state code and state description will be updated automatically. Enter the GST supplier and the GST number. Once the GST number is entered, the PAN number is updated automatically and the GST type is set as registered. For unregistered type, select Unregistered. Select the build date and enter the build number. The GST classification will be updated as local. Click Save. Choose the appropriate HSN /SAC code. The tax rate will be updated based on the selected HSN /SAC code, and the tax amount is displayed according to the classification type. Click on the Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created. Then click on View Journal to review it. The expense account will be debited, the tax account will be debited, and the bank account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer, then click OK. Navigate to the reviewer's login and click the Login button. Then, navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click Approve to forward it to the manager. The document has been forwarded. Navigate to the manager's login and click the Login button. Then navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document once the document has been reviewed. Click the Approve button to approve it. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.